Understanding the welding transformer, a key to metalwork mastery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing part of the metalworking world, the welding transformer. Whether you're a budding engineer, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about how things are made, understanding this device is crucial. Let's explore what makes the welding transformer so essential in metal fabrication and how it works. Stay with us to unlock the secrets of welding technology. A welding transformer is a type of electrical transformer used specifically for arc welding purposes. It converts high voltage, low current electricity into a form that's suitable for welding. Low voltage, high current. This transformation is crucial because it provides the right amount of heat and power to melt metals, allowing them to fuse together. The welding transformer is the heart of many welding machines, playing a pivotal role in construction, manufacturing, and even art. Welding transformers are vital for several reasons. Firstly, they make welding safer and more efficient by providing a stable and controllable current. This stability is key to achieving strong and durable welds. Secondly, transformers are versatile, supporting different types of welding processes and materials. Whether it's repairing a car or constructing a skyscraper, welding transformers are at the core of creating strong metal connections. There are mainly two types of welding transformers: AC, alternating current, and DC, direct current, transformers. AC transformers are commonly used for general purposes due to their simplicity and cost-effectiveness. On the other hand, DC transformers offer more control and are preferred for tasks requiring precision, such as welding thin metals or working in challenging positions. Operating a welding transformer involves understanding its settings and controls. The key is to adjust the voltage and current to match the type of metal and the thickness you're working with. Proper adjustment ensures the weld is strong and the metal doesn't overheat or warp. Safety is also paramount when using a welding transformer. Always wear protective gear, including gloves, a mask, and safety glasses, to protect yourself from sparks and UV radiation. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of welding transformers. These devices are more than just tools. They're the bridge between raw materials and finished products, enabling us to build and repair the world around us. Whether you're a professional welder or just starting to explore the field, understanding welding transformers is a step toward mastering the art of metalwork. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring with us.